Just how fast can a resin 3D printer be? Introducing Rocket One, the world's first top-down DCLF 3D printer with lightning-fast printing speed and ultra-high accuracy. At up to 380 millimeters per hour, its printing speed is 20 to 60 times faster than traditional resin printers. Rather than waiting for hours, you can now get your project done in minutes. Rocket One has not only world's fastest printing speed, but also prints with 35 millimeters accuracy than most other 3D printers. This printer can easily produce intricate details and holes as small as 0.2 millimeters, through which fluids and gases can pass freely, exactly the kind of accuracy that is required by researchers using complex models for study. Using Rocket One to print a complete figure, the finest details of skin texture are clearly seen, and parts fit together perfectly with only 0.05 millimeter one-side clearance. Even under a magnifying glass, the surface of the figure is as smooth and flawless as an injection-molded part. Powered by the first-ever top-down digital continuous liquid forming technology and self-developed rapid leveling nanometers, it is able to print models with few supports and can even print them with single support or no support at all. Thanks to the top-down printing design, Rocket One can easily print large solid materials without changing resin curing properties or using a scoop. Top-down printing also allows the prints to be protected from gravity and peeling forces, which makes it possible to print highly transparent materials. Rocket One prints as clear as glass. You can even use it to print a pair of glasses for yourself. Its top-down design makes it simple to print flexible materials as well. Rocket One enables you to print using a variety of materials in any area of your life or work. In addition, to save the amount of resin used, we have developed an inexpensive resin-insoluble bottom filler so you can print with only 300 grams of resin. Furthermore, Rocket One is intuitive and user-friendly. No leveling or professional experience is required. Just plug it in and start printing. With the light projecting from the top down to the resin surface and curing, Rocket One has no vulnerable parts such as LCD screens or release films, making it more durable and reliable. This is Rocket One, the world's first top-down DCLF 3D printer. Ultimate speed, higher accuracy, and superb reliability. A revolutionary new resin 3D printer. Support us now on Kickstarter.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hitch's Factory. Here is our office. Hello everyone, welcome to Hitch's Factory. Here is our office. Now we are ready to enter the dusty workshop. This room is where we assemble the DCF agent, and the environment is dust-free. It needs to work quickly, so we won't go in. This is our assembling area. Our colleagues are assembling parts. This room is our R&D laboratory. This machine is our instrument to test the tensile force of the model. Through this machine, we can see the details of our model more clearly. Next, we will go to our storage room and warehouse.